I'm just chilling in Barrington with my boy, 156. We're squashing the beef. Yo, I don't know what train this is. I'm an expert. I'm a train spotter. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're just chilling in Barrington. Just chilling in my hometown.
Oh shit! Wait, actually, hold on. That looks like 1.3.
We're going somewhere.
What's up, bro?
Alright.
Wait, that actually might look like 1.3.
123? I don't know what that means.
It has some red.
Oh shoot.
I could be wrong though, but that looks like 1.3.
Oh shoot. We just chilling in Barrington. Oh shoot. Just chilling in Barrington. Heck yeah. With my boy. Metro 156 Video Productions. Like and subscribe. He has my permission to record in Barrington. Crystal Lake. Yo. The Metro 133 Video Productions train official. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.